Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Priti Shenai, Medical Director of Skinworks Clinic at Juhu, Mumbai. Today I'm going to be discussing a very common condition that I see in my everyday practice, that is hyperpigmentation. We Indians suffer from hyperpigmentation because of the increased melanin, that is pigment cells in our skin. There are various types of hyperpigmentation. Melasma is the commonest, that is brown pigmentation seen on the cheeks. Tanning, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation following conditions like acne, injury, and certain body parts like neck, underarms, elbows, knee, and sensitive areas hyperpigmentation. Treating hyperpigmentation is challenging for a dermatologist and frustrating for the patient. The most important skincare regime while treating hyperpigmentation is sunscreen. So today I'm going to be talking to you about a unique product from Bioderma, which is the Pigmentbio Daily Care SPF50 sunscreen. So the Pigmentbio Daily Care SPF50 has natural ingredients and a unique technology featuring lumirevel technology, which works on all three stages of pigmentation, that is production, inflammation and elimination. So it has a natural and plant-based extract called endographylite, which works on the production. Then the glabidrin, which helps and reduces the inflammation. And also it has azelaic acid, which works as a good skin lightening agent. It has a combination of vitamins like C and E, which have the antioxidant properties, and vitamin PP and niacinamide will help in hydration. Also, it contains salicylic acid, which helps in cell renewal. So, this one sunscreen has all these ingredients which help in reducing pigmentation. So, most of my patients find it comfortable using this product because after cleansing, they can directly apply this sunscreen. Most important quality of this product is that it has a broad spectrum protection against UV light, that is both UVA and UVB, which gives optimal prevention and helps in reducing pigmentation. When we apply sunscreen, we must remember that we must use it at least 20 to 30 minutes before we step out in the sun. But we should also apply even if you're sitting indoors. You need to apply every 3 to 4 hours, and the rule is you need to apply at least 2 whole fingertips on the face and neck. In my practice, all my pigmentation patients who are using the Bioderma Daily Care SPF 50 are seeing very good results, and they are also comfortable using this sunscreen. If you want to know more about hyperpigmentation or any other skin related condition, you can visit my Instagram page at Skinworks Clinic.